Once you've refined your video or your step-by-step tutorial, however you are teaching whatever it is you're teaching, then go ahead and post it here. If it's a step-by-step, go ahead and post the steps and pop in the images that explain each step. You can go ahead and work this out right here. If it's a video, just paste in the URL from YouTube, and we'll go over it. All right? So again, I look forward to what you'll create, and hopefully you will help other students learn. And it's always good to test drive your tutorial with someone around you. Let them try it out, because they may have some good feedback for you that you may take with a little more seriousness than you might my own feedback.